Today, we're diving into a topic that could save you from losing time, energy, and hard-earned cash. That's right, 5 businesses you should never start, and what works better instead. Now, don't get me wrong. Entrepreneurship is incredible, it's the path to financial independence and control over your life. But not all businesses are created equal. Some look shiny and promising but are secretly booby traps for your wallet. Today, I'll help you steer clear of these pitfalls and guide you towards smarter options. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the notification bell for the best money tips and tricks. 1. Gyms. They sound appealing, don't they? You picture yourself helping people achieve their fitness goals while doing what you love. But here's the hard truth, 80% of gyms fail within their first year. Why? The biggest issue with gyms is that they're often started by fitness enthusiasts who don't approach them as businesses. They might skimp on financial planning, ignore marketing strategies, or fail to diversify revenue streams. Many gym owners rely solely on memberships, not realizing they need high-margin services like personal training, group classes, or subscription-based online coaching to thrive. What works better? Consider offering a niche service within the fitness industry. For example, virtual fitness coaching or specialized wellness retreats can have much lower overhead costs and are scalable. With the rise of platforms like Zoom and YouTube, you can build a loyal audience without the massive upfront investment of renting a gym space. 2. ATMs. The ATM business seems easy. You set up machines, collect fees, and voila. Passive income, right? Not so fast. Here's the problem, the math doesn't work in your favor. The average ATM handles 3 to 5 transactions daily, earning you $2 to $15 per day per machine. Plus, you're managing declining demand, fewer people carry cash these days. Add in the costs of purchasing or leasing machines, maintenance, cash pickups, and the risk of theft, and it takes 7 years to break even on average. What works better? Instead of ATMs, think digital payment solutions. Fintech is booming, and apps like Venmo, PayPal, and cryptocurrency wallets are where the money is. You could develop or invest in a fintech app that solves specific payment problems, especially in niche markets like small businesses or international transactions. 3. Dry cleaning businesses. First, demand is shrinking. Thanks to remote work and more casual office environments, people are buying fewer suits and formal wear, clothes that require dry cleaning. Second, there's a hidden nightmare called remediation. Many older dry cleaning businesses are sitting on contaminated soil, thanks to years of using toxic cleaning chemicals. If you buy one, you might inherit a 6-figure bill to clean it up. What works better? Consider tapping into the sustainable fashion movement. Launch a green cleaning service or a clothing repair business that aligns with eco-conscious trends. These models appeal to younger, environmentally conscious customers and avoid the costly liabilities of traditional dry cleaning. 4. Hotels. Hotels might look glamorous, but they're one of the trickiest ventures to succeed in. Why? Because they're not just businesses, they're also real estate plays, which means high fixed costs. The average small hotel makes $94,000 annually but spends $96,000. Yes, that's a negative profit margin. And unless you're part of a major franchise, running a hotel is a 24/7 commitment. From broken plumbing at 2 a.m. to juggling landscaping, laundry, and bar renovations, you're always on call. What works better? Instead of running a hotel, explore short-term rentals or co-living spaces. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent properties without the overhead of managing a hotel. Focus on unique, experience-driven stays, like treehouses or city apartments with Instagram-worthy views, to stand out and charge premium rates. 5. Amazon FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. Selling on Amazon sounds like a dream come true. You list products, Amazon handles the logistics, and the sales roll in. But it's rarely that simple. First, Amazon can be your biggest competitor. They collect data on what sells well and often create their own versions to undercut you. Second, you have zero control over your customer relationships. You can't email your buyers, build loyalty, or even ask for reviews in the packaging. Finally, the profit margins can be razor thin, especially with the constant threat of knockoffs flooding the market. What works better? Build your own e-commerce brand on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. This way, you own your customer data, control your branding, and aren't at the mercy of a platform's algorithm. Focus on products with strong branding and a unique value proposition, and use digital marketing to grow your audience. Honorable mentions: businesses you should rethink. 1. Restaurants. Romantic as it sounds, 60% fail in their first year due to high startup costs, spoilage, and competition. Instead, consider starting a food truck or meal prep service, which have lower overhead. 2. Retail stores. Traditional retail is struggling against e-commerce. A smarter option? Focus on pop-up shops or direct-to-consumer online brands. So, what's the common thread among these failing businesses? 1. High overheads. Businesses with massive startup or operational costs leave little room for error. 2. Shrinking markets. Be wary of declining demand, like dry cleaning or cash-dependent ATMs. 3. No scalability. Successful businesses today are often scalable and location-independent. When considering a business idea, always ask yourself: is there a growing demand for this? Can I start small and scale? Do the numbers work in my favor? And if the answer to any of these is no, it's probably time to rethink. If you're unsure where to start, here are a few modern business ideas that check all the right boxes. 1. Online education. Create and sell courses in your area of expertise. Platforms like Teachable make this simple. 2. Digital marketing services. Help small businesses grow through SEO, social media, or content marketing. 3. Subscription-based models. From subscription boxes to SaaS, software as a service, recurring revenue is king. 4. Content creation. Whether it's YouTube, blogging, or podcasting, content can turn into a lucrative business with patience and consistency. Starting a business is one of the most rewarding things you can do, but it's not without risks. By learning from the failures of others and choosing smarter, data-backed business models, you give yourself a much better chance at success. So, tell me, are there any businesses you've been considering? Let me know in the comments, and let's discuss what could work for you. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Until next time, stay savvy, and stay ahead.